That's now the moment everybody, including myself, has been waiting for. Hello everybody, this is already day 84 of my Jaguar I-Step restoration project, and I'm still busy with extracting the windshield. That's the windshield removal toolset I went for. There's roughly one on the market thanks to globalization, depending on how much you want to pay for it. That's available in a lot of different colors and with a lot of different brand names. I paid around twice of the cheapest offer for having this in blue with 3 beautiful letters printed on all the parts, matching a few of my other tools. However, all those sets consist of 2 handles for the cutting wire, a so-called piercing awl, which would help getting the wire through the adhesive. That's the so-called pull scraper. Professionals use this for cutting out the windshield. I of course failed when trying to do so last time, and actually that's supposed to be used for getting rid of adhesive residues with the windshield removed already. Here we have a double hook handle. I have no idea what's that for. It's not even sharp. Yeah, and that's a panel removal tool, obviously, to fill the blister box. I didn't find any use for this. I've decided to continue with the lower portion because the adhesive is very easy to access here. Last time I used this tool to initially cut through the adhesive. This wasn't the best choice because its blade is wide and this created some damage on the metal. I now had a week to think about and came across a paper knife. Maybe this works just as fine, if not better. I've been that far inside. Now let's try to insert the wire. This may have ended up underneath the dashboard, which is no good. Let's give it one more try further here on the outside, where the dashboard sits a little lower. The wire already separated from the tip of this tool. So let's attach the inner handle up to the outer one. Here we go. That's not the relaxing position. Unfortunately, I can't open the windows. That way it works. Let's shorten this a tiny bit. I will now try to get around the corner somehow. Yeah, and this works out fine. I will now shorten this even more and try to get around this edge behind the alloy molding. So let's try to work towards the other side. I haven't even put duct tape on here because the wire is kept always in contact to the molding. Sooner or later I'm running out of space, so pulling may be better than pushing from this point. No good. I have to shorten this one last time. So let's try to work around the edge on this side as well. Yeah, and here we go. I will now try to work around the lower passenger side corner. That's exactly where I ended up last week. Oh shit, another big scratch. Let's try it another way. So let's repeat this with the middle section. I hope the wire is long enough. So now let's try to connect those two. Yeah, and that's exactly the correct size. And here we go. That's now the moment everybody, including myself, has been waiting for. That's, by the way, how an official Jaguar workshop fixed a rattling noise I was once complaining about. I will find a more elegant solution at the rebuild. Thanks for watching, sit back on my channel, goodbye.